Hey friends, welcome back to Quiz Rabbit. Guess the country by the flag and test your flag knowledge. They range from easy to impossible. Good luck! Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's start with the easy level. Guess the first country? Fantastic! It's the United States. Ready for the next one? Great job! That's India. Can you guess this one? Spot on! It's Japan. Let's keep going! Well done! That's the United Kingdom. Can you identify this flag? That's correct! It's Canada. Guess this flag. Excellent work! It's Germany. Look at this flag. You got it! That's Brazil. Time for another flag. Amazing! It's France. Can you figure out this flag? You got it! That's Australia. Can you recognize this flag? Brilliant! It's Italy. Guess this flag. Right on, that's China. Time for another flag. Magnificent! It's Russia. Can you identify this flag? Awesome! That's South Korea. Can you guess this one? Exceptional! It's Spain. Correct. That's Mexico. Can you recognize this flag? Incredible! It's Argentina. Look at this flag. You're right. That's South Africa. Can you identify this flag? Well done! It's Switzerland. Let's keep going! Perfect! That's the Netherlands. Look at this flag. Nailed it! It's Ukraine. Can you figure out this flag? Impressive! That's Sweden. Can you guess this one? Amazing! It's New Zealand. Time for another flag. Yes, that's Saudi Arabia. Can you figure out this flag? Fantastic! It's Turkey. Can you identify this flag? Spot on, that's Thailand. It's a medium-level challenge. Time for another flag. That's correct. It's Egypt. Let's keep going. Well done. It's Greece. Guess this flag. You got it. That's Portugal. Can you recognize this flag? Amazing. It's Malaysia. Can you guess this one? Great job! That's Singapore. Can you identify this flag? Fantastic! It's Kenya. Can you figure out this flag? Spot on! That's Chile. Look at this flag. Yes, it's Vietnam. Can you identify this flag? Magnificent! It's Norway. Incredible! That's Finland. Can you figure out this flag? Well done, it's Peru! Can you guess this one? Brilliant. That's Colombia. Guess this flag. Yes, it's Pakistan. Let's keep going. Exceptional. It's Ireland. Can you guess this one? Fantastic. That's Hungary. Awesome. It's the Philippines. Ready for the next one. Wonderful. That's Denmark. Can you identify this flag? Impressive. It's Israel. Can you guess this one? You got it! That's Indonesia! Can you figure out this flag? Perfect! It's Venezuela! Guess this flag. Yes! That's Poland! Can you identify this flag? Amazing! It's Belgium! Ready for the next one. Right on, that's Austria. Can you figure out this flag? You got it! It's the Czech Republic! Look at this flag. Great work! That's Bangladesh. Let's raise the bar with the hard level. Time for another flag. That's right, it's Bhutan. Can you identify this flag? Perfect, that's Eswatini. Look at this flag. Nailed it, it's Seychelles. Guess this flag. Incredible, that's Kiribati. Well done, it's Tuvalu. Guess this flag. Fantastic, that's Vanuatu. Can you guess this one? You got it, it's Comoros. Let's keep going. Awesome, that's Palau. Can you figure out this flag? Great job, it's Nauru. Spot on, that's Micronesia. Look at this flag. Excellent, it's St. Kitts and Nevis. Let's keep going. Wonderful, that's Dominica. Ready for the next one. Magnificent, it's Timor-Leste. Look at this flag. Well done, that's Sao Tome and Principe. Can you recognize this flag? Yes, it's the Marshall Islands. Guess this flag. Amazing, that's Fiji. Can you identify this flag? Brilliant, it's the Solomon Islands. Exceptional, it's the Maldives. Look at this flag. Right on, that's Montenegro. You're correct, that's Kosovo. Can you identify this flag? Correct, that's Cyprus. Can you guess this one? Impressive, it's Uzbekistan. Yes, that's Tajikistan. Can you identify this flag? Great work, it's Kyrgyzstan. Can you guess this one? Awesome, that's Armenia. Impossible level. Are you ready to be a hero? Time for another flag. That's right, it's Liechtenstein. Let's keep going. Great job, that's San Marino. Can you guess this one? Spot on, it's Andorra. Time for another flag. Well done, that's Monaco. Fantastic, that's Vatican City. Can you identify this flag? You got it, it's Luxembourg. Look at this flag. That's correct, it's Malta. Guess this flag. Wonderful, it's Brunei. Can you identify this flag? Amazing, that's Suriname. Perfect, that's Guyana. Ready for the next one. Awesome, it's Belize. Can you guess this one? Magnificent, that's Barbados. Guess this flag. Exceptional, it's Antigua and Barbuda. Let's keep going. Brilliant, that's Grenada. Can you guess this one? Yes, it's St. Lucia. Ready for the next one. Incredible, it's St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Guess this flag. Well done, that's Tonga. Look at this flag. Impressive, it's Samoa. Right on, that's the Cook Islands. Time for another flag. Correct, it's Niue. Can you guess this one? Fantastic, that's Mauritania. Can you identify this flag? Well done, it's Guinea-Bissau. Nailed it, that's Cape Verde. Can you recognize this flag? Amazing, that's Burundi. Guess this flag. Great work, it's Lesotho. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe. Pick your next